inspiration strikes. We write, draw, dream, and imagine in our notes. Ideas can come to anyone, anytime, anywhere. We live in a digital world, but we still relish in that feeling when you jot things down by hand. It's the start of something new and exciting. Over the past decade, from the original S Note to the Samsung Notes you know today, we've enhanced our app with every new generation, improving everything from writing and coloring and S Pen to text to screen off memos. And this year, we took your most recent feedback to introduce updates that better meet your needs. Display 2 pages side by side, annotate image files, and sync notes faster across devices. You can use Samsung Notes exactly how you want to. On the Galaxy S22 and Tab S8 series, Samsung Notes makes your world more convenient. Inspired by something you see online? Just grab the site and add it directly to your Samsung Notes. No need to capture and scroll over and over. Now you can just scrapbook the entire site, or simply pull in the link. Expand your creativity by using the expansive display of your Galaxy Tab as your canvas and your Galaxy smartphone as a palette. This seamless interaction between Galaxy devices helps bring an analog feeling to your digital experience. Let's see how our consumers are using Samsung Notes. Taking a class? Jot down notes while recording audio of your lecture so you can replay everything exactly as you heard it. And then keep everything in your digital journal for reference. And when you're working on a virtual group project, easily swap notes for convenient collaboration with one another. Anytime, anywhere. Write, type, draw, and upload. Then pull it all together. It's that swift and simple. Unleash your inner artist and let your imagination flow onto the screen. Samsung Notes can be your ultimate creative outlet. Express your vision with striking pops of color.
Mini skirts on, dip my body in metal platforms to
And make Samsung Notes your very own digital diary by adding your personal flair. Samsung Notes helps bring your inspirations to life, and the experience will continue to constantly evolve. Samsung Notes is made for you, so you can proudly say, "Notes my way."